Happy New Year mga kaibigan ng iVolunteer. We want to start off the year by thanking each one of you for continuing to support the dream of iVolunteer to have a better Philippines. Last 2015, 1,600 of you helped 32 of our partner communities that produced 410 volunteer events. We also want to thank 754 of you who participated in our volunteer study for us to better understand and inspire more and more Filipinos to volunteer. For the 32,000 social media followers, we also want to thank you for continuing to be our online ambassadors in spreading the spirit of volunteerism. Thank you as well for supporting our community meetups, our volunteer fairs, and our fundraising events that supports the ongoing operations of our organization. We also want to thank two of our major partners this year, Gawad Kalinga with their annual Bayani Challenge Walang Iwanan program, and Ayala Malls for our Operation Christmas Elf this year. We also want to thank the following institutions for trusting us to share our insights on volunteerism in their respective forums and channels. Muli, ako po'y nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng tulong niyo sa iVolunteer. Patuloy po tayong maniwala sa mas magandang Pilipinas. Sa ngalan po ng lahat ng bumubuo ng iVolunteer, saludo po kami sa inyo.